and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the inner brake lights on my 2002 Lexus GS300. It looks like it's going to be a real simple job because there are access panels for those inner lamps, and I'm going to be installing these last fit LED 7443 bulbs. The reason being is that I like the safety aspect of having brighter as well as instant on bulbs for my brakes, as well as my turn signals, my reverse, and everything else. I'm really a big fan of these plug-and-play LED replacement bulbs. So I'm going to take you over to the back of the car, show you how to remove the little access panels, show you how to pull the old bulbs out, and show you how to install these. One thing I do want to note is that these are non-polarity sensitive, so that's going to make the installation process a lot easier because I won't have to install them and then check to make sure that they work before I button everything back up. Although I still do recommend that anyway, just to make sure that you didn't get any bulbs that are DOA. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the camera over to the trunk, open up the trunk, and then show you where we're going to go from there. Alright, so I'm back here at the back of the car now, right next to the trunk pull-down handle, and this is the access panel for the inner brake light bulbs, the ones that are mounted on the trunk itself. It's just a simple Velcro access panel. Slip your fingernail in to pop it down, and once you're in there, you can see that the brake light is right there. So all you need to do to take it out is turn counterclockwise to loosen, pull it down, and boom, there's your bulb. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is replace the bulb off camera because I don't have another hand in order to hold the camera while I'm doing the process. So I'm going to set the camera down, swap the bulb out, and then I'm going to show you a 50-50 shot of what it looks like with the old light versus the new light. So I'll be right back with that. Okay, so we have the bulb swapped out. That was about a 2-minute process, very, very simple. And you can see this is the new bulb right here. And for comparison's sake, there's the old one. You can see on the camera, big difference in brightness. And this one is also going to be instant on as well whenever I hit the brakes. So whenever that second quote-unquote filament, which is not actually a filament anymore now that it's an LED bulb, lights up, it's going to be on instantly, which is great because people are going to see your brakes sooner and hopefully not rear-end you, which is a big problem where I live. So I'm going to go ahead and install the other bulb, but that's the end of this video. Really, really, really simple to install and definitely a great safety upgrade as well. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.